welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I love doing things. I love trying things. I love stuff. I do. I love it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. S'il vous plaît. That's French for if you please. I would please like that. I'm close to 1,800 subscribers. I'm gonna have a big giveaway with lots and lots and lots of stuff. Lots of valuable stuff that is very nice because I have an insane makeup and skincare collection, and that's how it rolls. I'm going to do a look with the Aurora Struck palette from Colourpop. It's one of my very favorite Colourpop palettes, and if you didn't know, Colourpop is affordable and good for the most part. And I'm going to do a pretty look for you to go with my hair, which is going to change very soon because my roots are serious and my lavender is fading to silver. So it's about time for something new. And please keep my hairdresser in your thoughts. She is going through some medical problems. So please send her good juju, good vibes, love, healing powers, whatever. So she's not able to work right now. So I am on the search for someone else to temporarily do my hair while she works on herself, because we want nothing but the best for her, rest and relaxation and meditation and all that good stuff, because we love her very much. So let's get in here. I'm going to start with no sleep because that is how I live, with very little sleep. It is a matte. It is a pretty light lavender color. I'm having to dip into this a few times to get the pigmentation that I want. But it's blending out really nicely with this very fluffy brush. And that's just a nice crease color for the look I want to do. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I just know that whatever I do with this palette, it turns out great. And you just can't beat something that always turns out great. Let me just do another swipe. And speaking of friends, I'm going to volunteer to work a merchandise table at a booth for one of my friends who passed away recently. His name is Warren Ray. He died from cancer and COVID. May he rest in peace. So I'm going to be working the merchandise table there next weekend to help get everything, raise money to pay his medical bills that are still left over. So send us goodwill for that. It's gonna be like a memorial concert. He was an actor and a musician, and he was just an all-around cool dude. And he was very crafty. He could do a lot of stuff, and he was a good friend of mine. I'm gonna go into Solar Vibes. Ooh, it's going on real light. This is a shimmer. It's almost the same color as No Sleep. It's right next to each other. But it's a shimmer, so it's very light and pretty. Maybe I'll do like a monochromatic look and just keep it super simple today. Because I do like to do things simple, even though you've seen me do lots of dark, smoky looks. I do like to have some simple times as well. Maybe I'll just keep it all purple and lavender today. Even there's like so many colors on here, but I think that's what I'm going to do, is keep it purple, lavender, and then a little bit of this highlight, which is Head North on my lid. Let's get some more brushes and get some more colors going. I'm going to go into Radio Waves. It's a shimmer. And it is a little darker. It's looking pretty. Pretty, pretty. We love to look pretty. If you want to be my pretty, you gotta get with my friends. I'm not really singing the real song. I'm making up words. It's not a real song. It might sound familiar to you, but it's something completely different. I'm going to go into the head north and do that icy white on my lid. It's a really nice shimmery highlight. Woo, it's so poppin'. It's poppin'. Let me get a tissue. I'm gonna go into a darker purple now. So I'm gonna go into stargazing down here. I'm gonna get this little pouty brush here. It's a little pouty brush. Ooh, yes. Ooh, child. Things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child. Things will get brighter. Not my best singing today. I did do karaoke. Well, if you saw the video where I put my makeup on with a lantern, I went to karaoke that night. My makeup turned out fine. And this look is looking pretty. I'm really enjoying this. Blending this dark color into the center a little. I'm going to brush it out with a fluffy brush. Get things muted a little blended, if you will. That's really pretty. I'm going to do black eyeliner because that's what I like to do. And this is the House Labs black eyeliner, the old formula, which you can get on Amazon for a very good price, like 10 bucks or something. Oh, I just did a giant. That was my fault. It wasn't the eyeliner, it was my fault. Oh, I just covered up almost all that white with black. That's all right. Big, thick 60s line of eyeliner. Wow. I'll do the same on the other side. I just messed it all up. Let me get a Q-tip and got some wayward eyeliner going on. But that's still really pretty. And this eyeliner keeps its pigment. This eyeliner is lasting forever because I use it all the time. It looks nice. I'm going to use the Sky High mascara from Maybelline today. I've had it for a while and I haven't used it very much. And it's supposed to be really good. I've only used it like once. But it seems to be doing a really good job making my lashes look long. You know what? This is good. Why haven't I been ignoring this? Because I'm crazy. And this wand is really good. It really separates your lashes so there's no clumping. And it really enhances the length. All right. I'm feeling sassy and sassafrassy. Put that in my rotation, girl. Girl, it's in my rotation. What of it? And I'm going to do a vibrant pink lip with number 120 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in Artist. It's one of my favorite colors. Ooh, I made a mess. I need another Q-tip. What is it with me and my lips? I'm having a hard time doing my lips lately. Alrighty, it looks pretty good. I've got a pretty look here. I'm not going to complain too much because it wouldn't do me any good. So have a great day or day of your choice. Thanks for watching me do this cute look. Have a lovely one, and we will see you real soon. Bye.